Let's do it. So, Reb Shimi Atzadik came all the way from Manchester for the Shabbaton, right?
Go lower.
I'll do this, Azoy. So you came. Imagine Mark Ashkenazi. It's a whole different level.
That's why I love dancing with him. He's just perfect.
Yeah. Did you see him with the hat? He had a hat on it.
Fantastic.
Lamai said that's the shul where we have the location, and Shimi came to visit us, which was a tremendous chizuk. And he's going back to Manchester, mamash, in a few minutes.
Yeah.
It's Hashem.
Yeah.
You came especially for the Shabbaton, or you came for Tzedek?
Especially for the Shabbaton.
How did you join MDY? What was your story?
I had a chavrusa, I don't know who your audience is.
You say whatever you want.
I had a chavrusa when I left yeshiva for about 10 years. One day I didn't feel well, so I didn't learn, or he didn't learn, and it was getting a bit schwach. And then with COVID, whatever, it wasn't working. Somebody mentioned to me, check out this Stefanski guy, you'll really enjoy it. I thought, yeah, nah, daf yomi, everyone says yeshiva, don't do it, whatever. Anyway, I looked into it.
How long ago?
Sukkah daf base, about 4.5 years ago, 5 years ago.
It's been a while.
Been a long time, but it's been a fantastic journey.
Wow.
I reached out to Dov Harris, he got in touch, sent me a Gemara free, and since then, yeah, the rest is history.
And you're actually holding the new Gemara Menachos of
But I'll
MDY.
tell you what I'm extremely excited about. I saw this last night, there's loads of stories.
Let's see.
This. I'm not an emotional type of guy, but this really made me cry when I saw this.
Shimi Liefen. What is this? This is like just names of
Yam Dola Bruche.
Azvus. What did they do?
People that help and give here.
Where am I? Why am I not on this list?
Here.
The next list?
Here.
He's writing it in with a pen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just whatever. It's just it's nice to be
So
part
you
of.
didn't know about this. This was a surprise
I had no
for
idea.
you.
This is a big surprise.
Oh
for me.
wow! Hey, whoever's in charge of this, I need to make it into the list. Is Tzvika there? Tzvi Pinzel?
Just give me some names quickly and I'll put them in.
He's gonna write everything in the handy. Okay. So Be'ez Hashem, if you didn't join the daf yet, today we started Menachos. Do yourself a favor. Change your life. Don't change your life, but do yourself a favor. Start watching the animations, the emails. You're gonna love it, and you're gonna feel like family. You see, a guy from Manchester comes. If not for the daf, we would have never met. And now I feel literally like his brother. When he came in, I was massively excited. Looking forward to see you, and maybe one day I'll be in Manchester. Who knows? You have a satellite location already?
One, we're starting a Hebrew, and we might start another English. So 3.
I gotta come visit. Okay, if you want a what a day in Manchester, hook us up. L'chaim.